Every year, millions of Muslims gather from across the globe for one purpose: to perform Hajj or Umrah. At the heart of this sacred journey lies the Kaaba, a structure revered since the time of Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him. But there's one object in particular that draws millions of longing hands and teary eyes: the black stone, known in Arabic as Hajar Al-Aswad. What makes this stone so special? Why did the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, honor it with a kiss? And what secrets does it hold? Let's dive into the incredible history and significance of the Black Stone, a story that has captivated hearts for centuries. The Black Stone's story begins in the heavens. Many narrations tells us that this sacred stone was sent down from paradise as a guiding sign for mankind. Initially white and radiant, it turned black over time due to the sins of those who touched it. Placed at the eastern corner of the Kaaba by Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, and his son Ismail, it became an integral part of worship, a symbol of humanity's covenant with Allah. Though it appears as one stone, what we see today are fragments held together by a silver frame. These fragments are what remain of the original stone after centuries of history, some tragic and some miraculous. When the Kaaba was rebuilt during the Prophet Muhammad's early life, a dispute arose among the Quraysh tribes about who would have the honor of placing the black stone in its position. Tensions ran high, and violence seemed inevitable. But then, young Muhammad, known for his wisdom and fairness, was asked to mediate. The Prophet came up with an ingenious solution. He placed the black stone on a cloth and asked the leaders of each tribe to hold the edges of the cloth together, lifting the stone to its place. The Prophet himself then guided it into position with his blessed hands, a moment that symbolized unity and wisdom, qualities he would embody throughout his prophethood. Later, during his prophethood, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, would kiss the black stone, teaching us its reverence. When questioned about this act, Umar ibn al-Khattab, the second caliph, famously said, "I know that you are only a stone and can neither harm nor benefit. Had I not seen the Prophet kiss you, I would not have kissed you." This reminds us that the black stone is a symbol of devotion, not an object of worship. What secrets does the black stone hold? It is said to have descended from paradise, where it was part of something far greater, a connection to the divine. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us that on the day of judgment, the black stone will bear witness to those who honored it with sincerity and devotion. The act of kissing or touching the black stone is not an obligation, but a sunnah, a way of following the Prophet's example. Yet, the emotional connection it fosters among believers is profound. It serves as a reminder of our commitment to Allah and our longing for the purity of paradise. The black stone has endured trials throughout history. It was stolen in the 10th century by a group called the Karmatians, who kept it for nearly 20 years. Despite these challenges, the stone was returned and remains a cherished part of the Kaaba to this day. Its resilience is a testament to the strength of the Muslim Ummah and their unwavering devotion to their faith. While the black stone is unique, its true significance lies in its ability to remind us of our relationship with Allah. It is a symbol of faith, unity, and devotion, connecting us to the prophets who came before and the believers who will come after. Kissing or touching the black stone is an act of love, not only for the Sunnah, but for what it represents, our ultimate return to Allah. And for those who cannot reach it, simply pointing towards it during Tawaf holds the same reward. And for those who cannot reach it, simply pointing towards it during Tawaf holds the same reward. This shows the mercy and inclusiveness of our faith. The black stone is more than a physical object. It's a bridge between the heavens and the earth, a reminder of our origins and our ultimate destination. Next time you see the Kaaba or hear about the Black Stone, reflect on its rich history and the profound lessons it carries. In our next video, we'll explore more secrets of the Kaaba and its deep connection to the prophets. Stay tuned for stories that will inspire and strengthen your faith. Don't forget to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring Islamic stories.